everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am here to do another wig review for you guys. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and if you're watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos when I upload them. Thumbs up, share, let everybody know about your girl Happy Dimples 39. On this channel, I do many things. I have had this wig for about 5 years. Yes, it's been that long, 5 years. Because since I've been natural, I haven't been wearing my wigs regularly. But now I am starting to pull them out. And since I had them for a long time, I forgot where I got them from. And this wig here, it doesn't have a picture. And it doesn't have a particular name, but I guess this wig is in the Harlem collection, and it is Harlem 125, and it is a BW-001, and I got this wig in a 1. So this is what the packaging looks like. I have seen 3 wigs reviews from 3 subscribers, from 3 people. And I haven't seen no other reviews or tutorial. I don't know if it's still up on the sites, but at that time I liked this wig and never have taken her out the package, have never put her on, placed her on my head, or never did a review. So now I have it, and I am about to show you guys what she's like. Taking her out. And taking the paper out. Brand new wig. But here we are. A natural look wig. And now I am going to show you guys this wig. Look at that hair. Looks like little worms, y'all. Little worms. This is what it looks like spiral curls. It is spiral curls, but tight. And this wig does have straight hairs in the back, and also little fine baby hairs in the front. See that? And it's all around the perimeter of the wig. Little fine straight baby hairs. This wig does not have any combs. Not in the front, not in the back. But it does have ear tabs, and it does have adjustable straps. Okay. Now I am going to place the wig on my head, and I'm going to make this wig an afro in it, because this is what it's supposed to be, an afro wig. She's cute like this. I like her like this, but I wouldn't want to go around with, you know, this looking like this. Nah. But she's cute like this. If it wasn't so stringy. Watch what I do to her. Oh, y'all, she is big head friendly, but she does fit tightly on the head. So let me go ahead and work this wig and turn it into an afro. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is pull it. And she does sheds, y'all. She does sheds. So you may have to cut her if you decide to get it, if it's still on the market, that you may have to just, you know, clip her. And I'm going to go ahead and wet her down because she is kind of dry. Has that dry kind of feel. And I'm going to leave some of the tight curls in. And y'all, it is best to pick it out with your hands because no comb is not going to, you know, comb it out. Y'all, if y'all really want a full look of this wig, you have to keep pulling it out day by day, okay? This is my first wear of this wig, and first time, as you can see, pulling the tight little curls out. But you can get her as higher or longer as you want it, but you have to do this, I guess, day by day to make her much fuller than this. And y'all, with the baby hair, I don't know what that's about. I really don't, because this wig is being turned into an Afro. Yes, it's being transformed into an Afro. And it does sheds, y'all. I don't know what the shedding is about, but it does shed. But I'm beginning to like the look of it because it looks so natural. It looks so natural, y'all. Look at that. And I will leave some of the corals in because I want it to have that twisted look too. Like you're doing a twist out. Does it supposed to shed like that? And other wig reviews I have watched, yes, you know, they got them from shedding too. Yeah, I am liking this look. Oh, wow. Y'all, this wig wasn't too expensive. It was $8.99. It wasn't expensive at all. Very affordable. Y'all, I haven't searched to see if they still had this wig on the market. But if you like this wig, go ahead and search now. I have had this wig, like I said, over 5 years. I believe it was in 2014 when I first purchased this wig, when I first seen the reviews. Alright, it looks so natural, y'all. Let me know what you think of this wig. Y'all, this is the front view of this wig. And the right side. Hope I did a good job though. And this is the back view. I don't know how it's looking in the back. And this is the left side. Just look up, just Google Harlem 125 BW-001. And this is a 1, color 1. And maybe it will pop up and see what sites are still selling this wig. This is a natural hair look. You can transform it to this natural looking afro. Yes. And y'all, this is how much shedding I've gotten from the wig. Okay, you may get more shedding once you finish pulling them, pulling your spiral curls out. You will get more shedding, but so far this is all I've gotten. Okay, thank you all so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.